Everyone's talking about AI.
The potential is real, but for most companies, the question remains.
What does implementing AI actually look like? And what is the return on investment?
The headlines are all about replacing jobs.
But here at Leverege, we're focused on something different.
We are applying AI to transform our customers' physical operations, augmenting people instead of replacing them.
We're operating in car dealerships, wind turbine factories,
Automotive service centers, grocery stores, and much more.
These physically intensive sectors power the global economy.
And they're due for a major upgrade.
We provide a suite of software products that bring AI-powered visibility to physical operations.
That visibility drives real outcomes: higher revenue, reduced costs, and a better customer experience.
We have AutoTrace, which tracks vehicles and equipment across dealerships and construction sites.
Pit Crew, which helps to maximize performance in every service center.
Express Lane, which drives sales with Q analytics and customer journey data.
And WorkWatch, which improves quality and reduces defects in manufacturing.
So what does this look like in practice?
One of our customers for WorkWatch is a global leader in wind turbine manufacturing. We installed cameras in their manufacturing facilities and trained AI models to catch defects early on.
This saves them tens of millions of dollars annually.
Cameras are really powerful as sensors because the same camera feed
Can be used with different AI models.
For example, one model can monitor worker safety and another model can assess operational efficiency.
We have another customer, one of the largest car dealers in the world, that is using AutoTrace to track 250,000 cars across all their locations.
This saves their employees hours when locating cars. It's also just a better experience for buyers.
I love this example because not only were they able to help their employees and customers,
but they're now saving $10 million a year by reducing stolen vehicles.
That's pretty wild.
It really shows the value you can get when you combine AI and sensor data.
And this is only scratching the surface of what's possible.
It's always rewarding to see the positive impact for our customers and their employees. We really want to empower people, not replace them.
What's exciting is that with AI, we can put machines and computers to work doing what people can't.
so that people are freed to do what only we can.